Hi guys, it's Eunice from Theory of Simple. It's a beautiful summer day here in Northern California. You can hear kids playing. It's just really nice. The weather's beautiful here. So I have been requested to set up another picnic, and this time it'll be in a darker theme. It's going to be really pretty, and it's going to be an evening picnic. So come along with me as I set up this little picnic for two in the evening. As usual, I set my picnics up in my backyard at first, just so I can see how everything is going to set up. I start off with a waterproof blanket, and I'm adding this portable table. And I love these little chairs because they fold flat, but then I can raise the back up to give some back support to anybody seated at the table. I'm adding some placemats here to add a little bit of extra texture to my table setup. I like to bring everything for my table setup in these boxes and baskets. They're beautiful, and they allow me to bring everything to the picnic that I need to set up on my table, and I'll also use these as part of my decor. I like to add a little game to my table. This way, if the couple wants something else to do, they can play this little game of Shut the Box. I like adding some potted plants to my setting because it brings in some beautiful texture and color. Since this is an evening picnic, I'm going to add some solar lights that will bring a nice bit of color and light to our setting. Of course, no picnic is complete without a blanket and some pillows, and I'm adding a couple of these straw mats to give us a little extra cushion. All right, my table's all set. I have the food, I have the lights, I have all of the decor. So let's just wait for the sun to set a little bit more, and we'll check out how everything looks for my evening picnic for two. I think these solar lights add a nice pop of color and texture to this evening picnic. Of course, the best part is we get to enjoy the picnic so we can test everything out and make sure that it will be perfect for our clients. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos. Until the next time, get outside, enjoy the great outdoors, and I'll see you guys in the next video.